In my previous lecture, I had told you about the law of dominance. Now we'll begin with the law of segregation. This is the Mendel's third postulate, and this law is termed as law of segregation or purity of gametes. It states that two alleles of a character remain in the form of a pair. During gamete formation, they get segregated or separated from each other. When two alleles of a trait are in heterozygous condition, then they do not contaminate with each other. They remain in their pure form. At the time of gametogenesis, they segregate or separated and pass to their respective gametes in their pure form. Thus, Mendel's law of segregation, it is based on the so many conclusions that states that each trait is produced by two factors, and the factors may be similar or dissimilar. Each true breeding form possesses two similar factors, and each hybrid form has two dissimilar factors. Each gamete, whether it is a male or a female, possesses only one factor of the pair, and a gamete is therefore pure for a trait. There is a random fusion of a male and a female gamete to form a zygote, and the offspring formed, that is zygote, receives only one factor from each parent, and the factors do not blend in F1 generation but retain their individuality. A recessive factor is not altered by the presence of a dominant factor. Therefore, the hybrids or heterozygotes of F1 generation have two contrasting factors or alleles of a dominant and a recessive type. These factors, though remain together for a long time, but they do not mix or they do not contaminate with each other. Therefore, no blending. They separate or segregate at the time of gamete formation, so that a gamete receives only one factor, either dominant or recessive. Thus, Mendelian ratio, that is 3:1 in F1 generation, actually has a hidden ratio of 1:2:1, because in reality 1/4 are pure dominant, half are impure or hybrid dominant, and 1/4 are pure recessive. Thus, hidden ratio shows pure dominant are homozygous, that is in 1 ratio, and heterozygous are impure dominant, which are 2 in ratio, and homozygous or pure recessive in 1. Thus 1:2:1 is the hidden ratio, and the phenotypic ratio, that is 3 dominant and 1 recessive. This way he gave the law of segregation. Then besides this, here we'll find out about what is a test cross. Test cross is a cross made to determine genotype of an organism within one breeding generation. In a test cross, the organism of unknown genotype is crossed with the homozygous recessive organism of the same trait, and the unknown genotype can be determined correctly by studying the ratio of the offspring obtained. If all the resultant offspring show a dominant trait only, the unknown genotype is homozygous dominant, and if the ratio of the dominant to the recessive is 1:1, the unknown genotype is heterozygous. Thus, the test cross, you can see here on the screen, It is the diagrammatic representation of a test cross. Here in the F1 generation, that all flowers